The Circle is a crisis prevention cafe that is here to support children and young people on the verge of crisis, made up of a team of clinical and non-clinical staff who will be here to welcome young people, offer them a beverage and something to eat, and actually talk to them about the presenting issue that they have.
When we were involved in the co-production of this cafe, The Circle, we really wanted to make sure that the young people felt as if they were going somewhere that was natural, a natural environment, because often when we think about young people going to support for their mental health, we think about clinics or counselling or CAMS, and sometimes young people can be just sick and tired of those things. And with this more natural approach, we feel as though hopefully we'll be able to achieve our goal of young people coming in and receiving support for their mental health and raising more awareness for young people's mental health.
We're also here to support parents of young people who may feel overwhelmed around supporting a young person that might be presenting with emotional distress or at the verge of a crisis, and providing them with vital information such as psychoeducation and strategies to support their young people.
This is going to be the most amazing resource to send children and their parents to when they're experiencing a lot of emotional distress, because I think it's only when whole families receive support and help do things really start to improve for young people.
I'm very excited to come and visit The Circle today. Young people all too often fall foul of a gap in service provision at the moment, where they have escalating difficulties that can only be met in an acute setting, where I hope The Circle will help us meet their need better is by offering a viable professional alternative of de-escalating and de-intensifying their crisis experience and helping them to normalise and make sense of what's happened.
One of the key things that young people have always said is that services come and then they go. And that's something that we as Hammersmith and Fulham, Ealing and Hounslow Mine want to demonstrate to young people in our community, that we hear them, we're there for them, and we will do whatever we can to ensure that services like The Circle is around and agile and flexible to meet their needs. Our hope is to have The Circle not just in Ealing, but in all London boroughs.